Hello viewers, welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, I'm going to show why 0 factorial is equal to 1. Okay, let's start. Remember, 5 factorial is the same as 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This can be written as 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial. You can also write it as 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. You can also as well write it as 5 times 4 factorial. Okay, so in general we can say that if we have k factorial, this is the same as k times k minus 1 times k minus 2 times up to maybe 1. And per the illustration that we did here, we can also rewrite this as k times k minus 1 factorial. So let's make k minus 1 factorial the subject. We divide both sides by k, where k is an integer. Yes. So if that is the case, then we have k minus 1 factorial being equal to k factorial over k. Okay, so let k be equal to 1. Therefore, we are going to have 1 minus 1 factorial will be equal to 1 factorial over 1. Now, this implies that 1 minus 1 is 0, so we have 0 factorial, which is equal to 1 factorial is the same as 1 over 1. And 1 over 1 is equal to 1. Hence the proof. So we have been able to show that 0 factorial is equal to 1. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching us for the first time and you like this video, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye.